Humans gather enormous amounts of information through visual observation. Computer vision gives AI similar visual capabilities. It can see images, interpret their meaning, and act on visual information automatically without human involvement in each decision. Computer vision uses deep learning, specifically CNNs, to analyze images and videos systematically. Systems can detect and locate objects, recognize faces reliably, read text from images, and identify visual anomalies or defects. Image classification categorizes whole images. Object detection finds and locates specific items. Semantic segmentation labels every pixel. Face recognition identifies individuals. OCR reads text. Each task has specialized approaches and applications. Manufacturing operations use computer vision extensively for quality inspection tasks. Cameras detect tiny defects that human inspectors frequently miss. Systems work continuously around the clock without fatigue, distraction, or inconsistency affecting results. Retail stores track inventory levels automatically using visual monitoring. Healthcare analyzes medical images for diagnosis support. Agriculture monitors crop health from drone imagery. Security systems identify potential threats visually in real time. Cloud APIs provide pre-built vision capabilities quickly. Custom training adapts models to specific visual inspection needs. Edge deployment runs vision AI on local cameras. Options range from simple to sophisticated based on requirements. Computer vision automates tasks requiring visual analysis. Inspecting products, counting inventory, identifying items, monitoring processes. If your operations involve repeated human visual work, explore computer vision solutions. Significant efficiency gains await. Computer vision covered. Next video introduces generative AI, the revolutionary technology that creates new content rather than just analyzing existing data.